In the meantime, a little bit more on SpaceX. So they're going to fix airline Wi-Fi, starting to make deals with airlines to provide its Starlink satellite internet to sky travelers everywhere. It announced a deal on Monday with Hawaiian Airlines and last week made a similar deal with charter carrier JSX. None of the involved parties shared the financial details of their deals, but both airlines did say they're planning to offer the in-flight Wi-Fi for free, which is both a semi-miraculous fact and a sign of hope that free Wi-Fi is becoming the industry standard. Delta, meanwhile, confirmed last week that it's running exploratory Starlink tests. I mean, damn. I'm down for all this.
Mm-hmm.
Better Wi-Fi in flight and free. But it's not even the fact that it costs money. It's the way that you have to engage with it. Like
Right.
With the
log
credit
in.
card
Oh,
and the account.
I don't want another account.
And is it based off time?
Yeah, they'll be like, you can have 10 minutes for this much or
No good.
half an hour, or it's just like friction. It's like, I just want to get on and have Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Leave me alone.
Why are you making this so hard?
I just want to share my Netflix password.
Or cancel your Netflix to join Lou later.
That's right. That's right. To click the join button
Uh-huh.
on New Later, which isn't there yet.
Soon.
Super chat button's there though. Over the last couple of years, the company has been busy launching more satellites seeking FCC approvals. I mean, we're getting these images, these photos popping up of these Starlink launches. People don't even know what it is. Like this stuff just keeps happening, and it's sort of quiet in the sense that you're creating space internet for the world.
Right.
You're sending equipment to Ukraine. You're making deals with airlines. You're beefing with Bezos in court over who can put what where in space.
Yeah, this was 3 days ago.
It's all very futuristic, this whole space race, and the actual potential upside of such things in the short term with Starlink. I mean, it's a really ambitious, but yet it's so easy to immediately interact with it, this idea. Like space internet. It's so quick and easy to understand. Hey, Mo, you want space internet? Yes.
Yep.
That's what I want.
Give it to me.
Mo, how about internet no matter where you go? Yep. Okay, cool. I'll take it. Hey, Mo, how about internet as soon as you get on the plane?
Lovely.
Yep, sure. Take it.
Give me more of that.
No problem. And so it's like they're obviously public about it, but it's also kind of this finesse game where SpaceX is really ambitious and cool to watch. And you're like, they landed a rocket, and going to Mars is a wonderful, amazing goal. And then it's like short term, satellites everywhere. Do you know what I'm saying? I mean, you got to go to space to put the satellites.
Right. You need to build the infrastructure.
Anyway, can you imagine that? And I don't know the technical problems or technological limitations of the technology at the moment, but could you imagine getting rid of telcos altogether? Everybody's phone is just serviced from SpaceX satellites. Like, what is the size of that business?
Yeah, you don't have to
Intrinsic value of that business.
don't have to build any of those.
I don't remember anything about Terminator, but what is Skynet? Does that have satellites involved? I don't remember anything about Terminator. Neither do you guys. Cool. Somebody does.
Skynet's just the bad guy.
Arnold. It's just a bad guy?
No. It's a company, but I don't know what.
Neural network, conscious group mind, artificial general superintelligence system, antagonistic force. Okay, well, just
There you go.
So
just AI basically. Yeah.
Yeah.
AI. But I guess the ultimate AI needs some form of undisrupted communication, information
eyes
transfer.
in the sky.
Yeah, it might need some satellites. Yeah. Maybe I should probably just watch that one again.
Which one? The
Terminator
first or
2.
second?
I don't know.
T2?
Yeah, probably 2.
2's more fun.
With the liquid metal
liquid
stuff
metal.
going on.
So cool.
I feel like my kids wouldn't be impressed with the CG though.
They do it pretty well there. It still holds.
I agree. When he goes through the metal barrier, that's so cool.
Yeah. Okay. So improvement in and this is one way also to get the people on your side. You give them the things that they want, and all of a sudden they love you, no matter what they thought before.
And all it takes is one good experience.
That's it. You go up and you're like, and you log on and it's like a SpaceX logo.
Yeah.
And then that's it. Free.
That's fun. I enjoy.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden you're an Elon fan because you
Yeah.
have fast internet in your plane. And all the things you hated about him, it was just one little convenience, and you were like,
Got me.
washed away. It's like, hey, you don't need to use the internet if you don't want to.
Mm-hmm.
You can put it down. Nobody goes that route.